What's going on, guys? I thought I'd make a quick video on how to partially remove the seat on the Tesla Model 3 here. Mine's a 2018 Tesla Model 3 and I was just vacuuming out the car. Notice there wasn't a lot of content on how to remove your front seat, so you'll notice here there's 2 bolts in the front and also 2 bolts you saw earlier in the rear. This is a Torx 45 bit, and you can add this to your ratchets just to release the tension before using your drill. Maybe a little difficult initially, but once you loosen the bolt up, you can use a drill to speed up the process. And I think the newer Teslas, if I'm not mistaken, have 2 bolts in the front and also 2 in the rear. In this case, mine only has 2 in the front and 2 in the back. Again, we're just going to loosen the tension on the rear as well. And then just grab them out with your fingers, and here's what they look like. We'll put these to the side. Again, take your drill to the front. And as you're removing these bolts, the chair will probably start to lean backwards. And you notice here when you pull it up, you'll find all of the contents of what you've dropped in the car under the seat. And this gives you an opportunity to take your vacuum and have at it. I was going to disconnect the cords on the seat to fully remove it, but after noticing all the different various connections, I decided just to hold it upright and vacuum it out. I just thought it wasn't worth it to disconnect everything. And if you want a more effective clean, of course, you can get a brush to fully loosen up all that dirt. I just did a quick vacuum. It wasn't too bad. And then going in the back seat, you can do the opposite, push up on that chair and go to town and vacuum all that up as well. Once that's complete, or you feel that it's clean, just put those bolts back in. I just did a little quick hand tighten, or hand turn I should say, before taking my drill and putting it back into place. Also be sure to tighten it back down with your ratchet set here, putting a good amount of force on it. Move your seat forward so you can add the last 2 bolts in the rear, taking your drill, tighten it down, and of course use your ratchet set for that as well. And you can repeat this process in the front seats. This one wasn't as bad, but still a good amount of debris down there. Just hold it up. You can have someone help you and just vacuum all that out. Anyways, if you thought this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. And be sure to check out this next video right here. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.